sore throat, and I don't usually keep cough drops or traditional medicine in the house, so let's make some. Wanted to make lemon ginger and elderberry cough drops. I poured some honey into my bowl and then moved on to peeling my ginger. Didn't want to use too much ginger because I didn't want it to be too spicy for them, but I just eyeballed it and then also added some elderberry and about half a lemon. You can definitely adjust this to whatever you want to do. After I added all my ingredients to my honey, I gave it a good stir and boiled it on the stove until it reached about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I prepped my mold. As my honey was hot enough and reached the hard crack stage, I spooned it into my mold. I had to work quickly because towards the end, my honey began to thicken. Popped those in the fridge to harden quicker, and then when they were cooled off, I popped them out of their molds. I laid them on some arrowroot powder to prevent them from sticking, but you can also use cornstarch or powdered sugar. These were so